guys, it's Eli and enjoying your turn.
We are drawing something. So let's get the coloring now.
Okay. I got big bunch of. I got a spiral box. I got a coloring box.
And let's color. So what do you want to color, Eli?
I want to color first a dragon.
I'm gonna try and color a go. So let me.
That looks like a dinosaur.
So I'm gonna try and color
a dragon.
So I'm gonna get pink. Okay, now I'm gonna get some purple hair.
Dragon.
And let's make some short hair.
What color are you using, Eli?
Green.
What color? What color is that? Orange, pink.
Green.
What color are you using, Lillian?
I'm using purple and pink here.
Eli, what are you going to draw?
Okay.
Okay, Eli doesn't want to draw anymore.
I'm going to draw.
Eli, you're on camera.
I'm drawing camera.
Okay, let's draw an eye color.
Now, I'm going to draw that box. And that box. Sorry.
That's okay.
Uh,
Now it's that, and then the other eye do the same.
I want to play red. But my little pieces are walking. So then I red color.
And then I'm going to do a...
And then
What color are you using, Lily?
I'm using
YouTube for all day.
pink and purple, and
I
I'm
see
using
that.
red for the mouth.
Eli, we're filming you.
I'm not sure that. Sure.
Wow, beautiful mouth.
This is 100.
I'm going to draw the body.
Giọng một nó ghét gì đâu.
Now, I'm going to draw me. I love to draw.
What color are you going to pick, Eli?
I think I will. So I don't have it.
Pick one color, come on.
Choose. Oh, Daddy!
Eli, do yours, come on.
Give me my red. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Never try to choose. I'm good for skin. I love skin. Mommy, I have to go sleep.
Yeah. Mới về thầy mới về sớm mới về xếp đồ phơi đồ mới về quét nhà lau nhà ồn mẹ ơi thì ra một tuần để đi thôi.
I don't know what else I can do. Maybe do a star picture?
I want to do a star.
Come on, Eli.
And now I'm going to color it.
Make your wifey.
Okay, I'll make a star.
Look, for this color.
Let's do YouTube.
I want let's do this stuff. And
Now I'm going to color in the stars.
Rồi để đi YouTube để đi không chịu bây giờ đó.
inspire. And then I want to draw a star.
Okay.
I want to draw a black star.
Okay, let's do a star.
Star over there. And a diamond. A diamond maybe. And I'm going to cut it.
And now I'm going to use this. And also I'm going to use
Talk louder, please.
And also I'm going I'm just gonna color it in now.
And I'll be water. There he is. 13. And 15. After 15. 15. After 15. Today is my. Let me look on this one. I don't know. Let's do one birthday.
And now I'm gonna use some skin color that is beach.
Beach.
Yeah,
That
it's
is,
called beach.
that is skin color.
Yeah, it's called beach.
Con vẽ đi đây.
Wow. Do you know big style? Yeah, big style. Do if I'm gonna do it for a minute and I'll be back.
Okay, now I think I'm gonna color
Yeah,
in
I'm
the
bored.
eyes.
That's alright.
Maybe I can color the eyes in brown.
You gonna put your pencil back before it falls?
I'm just gonna use this later for the skin.
Don't tell me. Tell the camera.
And guys, I'm gonna use this brown to color in the eyes, so the pencil doesn't go in the eyes.
Có lúc ai đây nè có nói.
Hey guys,
You
bye.
tell them.
Yeah.
Don't tell me.
Yeah.
Go ahead, Lily. Go tell the camera.
You can go.
Look at the camera.
So I'm gonna put my pencil here because I'm gonna use this beach later because I have to do the eyes so the beach doesn't go in the eyes.
Talk to the camera. What color are you using?
So I'm
using brown. I'm using brown now, and also later I'll use skin color to do the face.
I do.
Skin color? What color is that?
Còn lúc lên camera.
The name is called beach.
Peach.
Beige.
Bean.
Còn kêu chút quay YouTube một thôi chứ lúc lên camera là lát hồi mới thấy
I
không
got,
được chứ.
I got,
Rồi
I'm
đây
gonna
là.
ask him YouTube. Yeah, subscribe.
And guys, if you like this YouTube channel, subscribe.
Yeah, you go on my one. Like,
What's your YouTube channel called?
Eli join custard.
Good job.
No, maybe Eli, Sophia. Wait, maybe Family River.
Family what?
No. What about can you think of a name?
I don't know. It's not my channel. It's your channel.
I mean, that's your channel.
Why are you telling people to subscribe when you don't have a channel yet?
Our channel will be called
The Three Little
Brothers
Piggies.
Sisters.
no.
Brothers Sisters.
Lily is a piggy.
It will be
Eli's a piggy.
color Lily, Eli, and Sophia color ring challenge.
Okay.
Yeah. You come up and see us in the channel.
We'll still think of a name.
Yeah,
Okay?
Okay. But we're still thinking of a name, guys. So don't subscribe yet if you see this.
Rồi ra vẽ đi.
I
vẽ xong rồi con
think
để.
it's really cool, guys.
Rồi con đưa cái picture con lên ha camera cho everyone thấy. Con sẽ coi đi ra vẽ nè. Hả?
I'm gonna do this color. Oh yeah, this. Do that.
Đó, con vẽ cái picture ra. Con vẽ đi.
Because I already did the brown for the eyes. Now I'm doing skin color.
Yeah.
That is called B. And guys, tell us which one looks the best, Eli's or my one?
No, don't fight.
Oh, you can have your race.
Hey, what are you doing?
Let's go to this.
Con pencil con lấy kia kìa.
It's not a rubber,
Đâu
Eli.
phải đâu phải cục gôm đâu. Đâu phải
There's a rubber there.
This is.
Go get the cup. That's not a rubber.
Con lấy cái cục bự ở dưới đó. Ở dưới
Dad, I
hộp đó.
love it. The mommy bed.
Mommy's bed.
Đâu mấy bé đâu có
No, it's in the cup. Go get the cup. The big cup with the pencils.
cái biết khắp pencil của con với mày đâu có đâu. Trong bếp mày đâu có đâu. Con lạnh quá, nay khỏi tắm đi, mai mi tắm nha.
That's what I
Cold quá.
told him it was cold.
Mai nắng lên rồi mi tắm nha.
A rubber. No.
Yeah, that's a robot.
No, that's not a rubber. That's fun.
Okay,
That's a
guys.
rubber.
I think I'm gonna sharpen this. I'm gonna sharpen this. You know where the sharpener is?
Oh, I do not.
I have chocolate in my bed. Mine took it.
No, có. Mi lấy quần áo vô nè để lạnh này chứ.
Get a rubber.
Little rubber.
Yeah, come on. Get a rubber.
Stand inside.
No, it's a rubber.
Little rubber.
You can. You're not doing it. Here. See? Is that rubber?
Yeah.
Okay, guys, I'm back, and now I'm gonna go coloring back. So I got the sharpener. If you need the sharpener, pencils.
So what does a sharpener do, Lillian?
A sharpener does, like if you have a pencil and your pencil's not a little bit sharp, maybe you use a sharpener, and then
A little bit sharp, or do you mean when it's blunt?
when it's blunt, you get a sharpener and
Eli?
you do what you and you sharpen it like.
You have to go to the bin, Eli.
And also, you also have to go in the bin and do it. And
Why is that?
because if you do it on here, then it'll get really messy and dirty. So you always have to put it in the bin. And also, when you use a sharpener, it always makes your pencil a little bit sharp. And now I'm going to continue coloring in now. Hey, what is this Microsoft doing here? Son, this is the one that I got from Happy Meal.
From Happy Meal?
Yeah.
In a Happy Meal from?
From McDonald's. Why is it here?
Show the camera.
He throw this in my drawing.
I don't know.
No, it doesn't matter. Well, let's just continue. Hey Eli, a Frankenstein ball from McDonald's, and it's my toy, and it came right here. Do you know where it came from? No. Let's just continue. So now I'm
I watch.
and I'm
Okay, watch.
color in my best.
So, what's that watch, Eli?
It's for you guys watch.
Who got that for you?
I got it to Stephen's house.
Who?
To Stephen.
So
Uncle Stephen gave it to you. Did you say thank you?
Yes.
the Uncle Stephen does in the last name.
Yeah, that's okay. We have two Uncle Stevens, yeah?
The one is no.
Yeah. One of them's my cousin.
Yes. And one of them is not their cousin.
Yes.
They're one of them daddy's friends.
Yes.
I don't like draw. It's a rubber.
Okay, guys, gotta hurry up and then close it now.
Okay, let's hurry up. I have no time to color in the hair, so I'm not going to color in the hair.
You're just gonna finish the skin?
Yep. I'm gonna hurry up. Oh my god. Oh my god.
It's just a triangle.
Oh my god.
My pencil is like that again.
You want me to sharpen it for you?
Yes, please. So when we're waiting for my uncle to finish,
Then I do
pencil's broken, Lily.
I didn't know that. I just use Eli's pencil. And guys, did you know about that? How we were just watching Netflix. That's why. And now, my uncle.
Excuse me, did you forget your manners?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Um,
You're welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I'm gonna do a watch.
You gonna draw a watch, Eli?
Yeah. I
So
know watch.
Eli drawing that, and I'm gonna draw this because Eli knows how to draw that because he's still in kindergarten.
Yeah.
What grade are you, Lillian?
I'm in grade 2.
Yeah, I know. I'm not in grade.
You're in kindergarten.
We're gonna do high grade. So,
Next year you'll go grade prep.
but only grade.
Ew, he farted.
So,
Ah, gross. Okay, I'm almost done. Okay, I think I'm done now.
Okay, you ready to show?
Yep, here it is.
So explain what you drew.
So I drew a human, and I was trying to draw myself, but I had no time, so I had to draw like.
So is that meant to be you?
Yes.
What's her name?
Her name is Lily, but I'm gonna.
So it's called a self-portrait.
Yes, it is.
yeah, my
Eli, what did you draw today?
I watch.
Show the screen, Eli.
I drew a watch right there. I just almost drew a star. Almost, I just drew that thing almost. It's a triangle. So that was like cool. So that's me. And the watch.
Oh, Lily, fancy writing.
And also, all I.
This is a pizza.
It's a pizza.
And this is a star.
And guys, all artists do write their name at the bottom.
Oh, see me.
So I wrote my name fancy, like scribbly writing, but it's like that.
Wrong way, Eli. You don't spell it. E's the other way. Draw the E the other way, Eli.
Yeah, let me draw it.
No, let Eli. Draw the E the other way, Eli. Good boy. L, I. Yes, that's it. I knew you can do it. Alright, show your paper, Eli. Show your paper,
I
Lillian.
drew my name.
Okay.
I did the Scrubby Yankee one.
Okay. What do you say now?
Thank you for watching this.
You see, and here see
And
the
also
two.
describe who you like more better, and also describe our video.
Press the like button.
Yeah,
And press the like button if you like it.
Finish.